Hi Didi, I did the revision of the poster. Not every part, but some part I think is necessary. One is abstract. I revised the whole thing to reflect what we really did. I did not touch goal, introduction, and methods. Not because I think they are done very appropriately, but just I simply don't have that much of time. But I redid result and discussion. I redid the conclusion. There aren't much space for me, but I did what I could. For this part, I replaced that table with the explanation of angle of impact and area of origin. I think they help the audience to understand what we're trying to do. And for the result and discussion, I showed that the impact angles, the experiment was done properly so that we can see a nice linear regression. And for the KNN, indeed I did not use what was there because that was from the first blood stain samples, and what we are showing here are indeed from the second and third preps. So I did some KNN analysis using our third prep, so it took me a while to straighten it out, not using the whole images but to use the parameters we get from the image J. If I include all images from impact angle 10 to impact angle 90, then I get only an accuracy of 60%, which is really hard to please the audience. So I removed those images that have poor prediction accuracies, namely impact angles 70, 80, and 90, and then keeping only the impact angles from 10 to 60, and then impact angle prediction accuracy goes up to 76%. Well, that is not a great number, but I feel it is a little bit better than 60%. So this is all I have. Let me know if there is anything else I can do. Thank you.